Oh yes, going live, guys. What is going on? Welcome to Dano Crypto. Welcome to this morning live stream on this fantastic Tuesday morning. We are seeing some massive Bitcoin moves. You read the title right. I was not bullish enough, and I'm sure you guys are feeling the same way where you're like, man, I was not bullish enough. So, what are you guys doing to deal with this? Are you getting into trades? Are you FOMOing right now? Are you breaking your rules? What's happening? I want to know. All right, guys. So, smash up the likes. Please hit the subscribe button. YouTube loves it when you hit the like button. It puts this live stream out to all the people that want to see it and get this cryptocurrency content. So, do me a favor and smash the likes, please, and interact in the chat. We're going to get right into it, guys. Hope you guys are doing well. So we're seeing that we had Bitcoin do a massive pump from just this 43,800 level. And we went up a good 5%, good 4-5%, up to 45,000. We almost hit 46,000. Almost hit 46,000. We were super, super close. And I wonder if there's some interesting things happening here. Yep. Yeah, there is. There is. So obviously, I think people are front running this news on the ETF. And if we go into the indicator for the Bitcoin halving, I'm going to go into the halving. We like this rainbow model, but we have to take off. Let's just take off this really quick, and we will go into the halving. And guys, we are super, super close to the next halving, closer than you guys realize. We go to the daily, and we can see that the Bitcoin halving is expected to happen on April 14th this year. Right on this date, right here. And so with that, we could potentially see a move up into possibly all-time high ranges. I mean, the prediction is that we go into 100K, 200K. Some people's speculation now is getting a little bit higher because they are realizing that there might be more money coming into Bitcoin than we might realize. Notes the title, wasn't bullish enough. All right, so let's look at the overall market. The altcoins are pumping. Altcoins are pumping substantially. We got Near up 17. We got Say 17. Sol 10. HBAR 17. Injective 11. STX 11%. Arbitrum's been doing really well recently. This Celestia has been doing really good as well. Yeah, we got the market is up very well today. And let's see, let's look. All right, so it looked like we had a lot of different price liquidations here. Probably on the shorters. Probably on the people that were trying to short Bitcoin, got liquidated super hard. And then you got a lot of shorts were closing. And then also, let's see what longs are being entered in the last 15 minutes. We got Filecoin, GMX, 1inch. see what else we got. What else we have in here? Dot, mana. It's good metrics to look at. And then interesting enough, I've been actually really enjoying getting more into the Pulse X Hex ecosystem. If you ever want to get into it, go to gopulse.com//bubbles, and then you can see all of the different projects and coins on the Hex ecosystem. All right, so I just made a near protocol address, which is the danodrummer.near, and it's set up almost like a social media platform where you can go in, you can see the most recent posts from people in the near network. Say yo. All right, so I think it's pretty cool. I don't know if you guys have made a near address yet. Oh, I wanted to mention to you guys, I just made a Discord. So if you want to join the Discord, it's going to be a constant work process because I just wanted to get it going. So, there's going to be, I'm trying to figure out the bots. I'm trying to figure out all the different sections that I want, and it will be a constant work in progress, and you'll see it being updated constantly. But I think it's a cool way for people who like to watch the channel and also want to interact with each other. People who normally come into the live streams, you guys can interact with each other and show your trades. We got obviously the general chat room. We got Meme City. You go and post your memes, best trades, screenshots, where you can come in and you can post some screenshots of your best trades. And then also got a YouTube updates where it bots and sends in the immediate YouTube notifications. And then you can see the gas, you can see the price of BTC and ETH right here. Just nice little widgets, some trade setups. So yeah, if you want to join, the link is in the description, or it's actually in the channel description. If you go here, you click on this link right here, and that will take you directly and give you a direct invite to the Discord. So definitely check that out. And if you haven't, check out my most recent video and talking about the step-by-step process of DCAing, doing your research, using the tools, for instance, like Morales Money, going into the charts, using DEX tools, maybe even DeFi Llama, and then actually going in and executing a strategic plan. And that video is right there. All right, so let's look how the watch list is doing right now. So Nakamoto Games is doing well. XYO is getting up there. So whenever the market pumps and Ethereum pumps, XYO does very well. And if you actually look at the chart, we're going to look at this chart because this chart, I've been checking out Horizon. I don't know if you guys know about Horizon, but it's in a really nice buy zone right now. Been checking out the Horizon ecosystem. It's been around since 2017. Something that I am going to kind of keep on the radar because it's definitely tradable right now. Yeah, we were seeing it. It was at this level right here when we were checking it out. It's like, man, that's actually a nice buy. All right, but let's get into XYO. And guys, how has your new year been so far? First day in. For some reason, it is not loading. All right, let's refresh this thing. let's see. We'll do Coinbase. I'm gonna look at it on the weekly. Get the Bitcoin halving off of there. RSI. Where is that? Is it the stochastic? Oh, oopsie. All right. Nice. Glad you guys are feeling good so far. What's going on? All right, so this is the weekly chart. Let's go to the daily. So the thing is XYO, it's seen a few different pumps during this bear market. You know, it had a pump 138%, then it had another 130% pump. So it hasn't been fully dead during the bear market, but when the bull market was cranking, you know, into the bull market, November 2021, this thing went on a massive tear from here. From this point, because it was at that 2-cent range, it went on a nice run. But the potential of the coin to get back and even to these ranges from where it is now, because it's down, you know, it's pushed down 0.006. I mean, let's see. Sometimes it's sometimes not fathomable how much a coin can move when we go into the bull run. And I would say 600% is definitely conservative to get back into these points right here. First, we need to hit into those levels right here. We got there, we got here, and then we have its all-time highs, which would bring it up into the, you know, going into the over 1,000% increase. This is kind of one of those altcoins that I have been wanting to build you know, kind of a silent big bag of, just because of the potential of each time that it has even gone on a run in the bear market, and they're still building, they're still doing stuff, trying to get the partnerships with that data verification, data verification. But yeah, XYO. All right, so let's see. And then we got, so Radium, you know, we talked about Radium. Radium's doing very well. I think it started pushing past Orca in terms of that Solana DEX volume. Did we have Radium in here? We definitely did. So Radium recently, in the past 24 hours, has had a 30% pump. Probably because it was chosen as the DEX and trader for swapping in these new meme coins. So the Ray Sol, yeah, so Ray Sol on Radium, that pairs has actually got a lot of volume right now. So if we go to DEX, yeah, so and on Jupiter as well. All right, so let's see how our Bitcoin trades are doing. Should be getting up past. All right, so now we're back into the $1,000 ranges. We dumped, on our P&L went down a little, substantially when we had Bitcoin retrace, and we thought to ourselves, you have different strategies that you can take. You can short the highs, obviously, and try and go back into a long, trying to catch on a recent low. But I didn't want to do that. I haven't been wanting to short. I've been just feeling like shorting is just not a good idea. Obviously, if you're able to day trade and you can have your face into the charts like at all points, you know, that's probably where you can have those opportunities to like literally trade the 5 minute, trade the 1 minute on Bitcoin and see where you can get into shorts to keep increasing that. Because I could have obviously increased this at different points from using that tactic, but I'm not there yet. I'm just gonna, you have to be honest with yourself. I'm not there yet as a trader to want to really do that. I need to analyze these charts a little bit more. I need to get more data in my mind with these charts so then I can really get familiar with when I would even take that opportunity. So let me see. All right, so what do you think about Ponky? Ponky on Sol? Let's see. Ponky on Sol. Let's go to Dex Tools and we'll try and find it. All right, let's go to Solana. See if it's in this, even in this list at all. Hot pairs. It's not in the top hot pairs. LFG is something recently now that's picking up that traction. It's gotten 1,665% pump. So let's see. I'm gonna go on. We'll check out this Ponky. 9 days ago, liquidity's decent. No, let's check that out. All right, so we had a big pump, gone down substantially. Let's see. All right, so it's had a massive move, but now it's down a good 86%. I don't know. Let's see. It's hard to analyze these coins that have just launched, you know, in the past like 10 days. Let's see, holders 14,000, so they do have a lot of holders. Market cap is actually at 6.2. Nice. Let's see. Could view the contract going. Let's go on the Twitter. I'm still suspended from my account. I've yet to make a new account. I'm going to make a new account. Tired of waiting. So if you're wondering if I disappeared off of X, off of Twitter, that's why. But I will be back. I will be back. All right, so 15,000 followers. Just kind of a Pepe monkey, Oh man. Yeah, and I think there's a just like a red Pepe. There's a red Pepe that's on AVAX. that's what I've seen that recently. So if you got the Pepe feel, you might just win just off of that. And smash up the likes, guys, and let me know what other coins you want me to check out. Right now, we're just kind of going through the markets. You know, we're checking out. We're watching Bitcoin. We're seeing what it's doing. Looks like Bitcoin wants to. Here, let's actually go into. I like using the BITFLEX. The BITFLEX charting is fun. We can go full screen, and we can just check this thing out on the 4 hour, and try and see what is happening. So right here. So I mean, it just looked like we were primed for a pump. Because we had these different we had this right here, we had I think if you hit the magnet, right, it stays on your whoa, not that one. I can't remember if you want to keep it on the tool that you are using. Cannot remember what button to hit to keep it on the tool that you want to use. Do you guys know what key to hit on the chart to keep the tool that you click on? I I think you hit the lock button. Lock all drawing tools. That's what it is. And then, nope, that's not it. Maybe is it this? Stay in drawing mode. And then you can hit stay in drawing mode, and then let's see, and then you can just go doot doot. Oh, that's what it is. All right, found it. And then I know if you hit, you can hit control, and then that'll actually, you can just do like a full clear. But yeah, so you see here we had like the bottom here, bottom here, bottom here, bottom here, and then like the bottoms kind of were getting higher each time besides here. So then we got that nice low, and we were forming a nice pattern to be able to get up into these price ranges. So let's look at the daily. Let's get off of this. And I want to look, actually, let's look at the weekly. Let's look at the weekly. So so BITFLEX for more short-term time frames is going to look a lot better. And actually, we should actually look at Matic, because Matic is looking like it's about to crush into this range right here. And then we got, I think the target, honestly, if we get past $1.19, $1.20 right here, where we had this resistance turn into support, then we are going to go into $1.30. And if Bitcoin's like really, really crushing it, it's gonna pull the market. I mean, you see what happens when Bitcoin goes up a couple percent. It makes these altcoins just absolutely crush, and you can see it here. All right, so let's look actually the top 200. Let's see what's going on. So we've got the Radium in here. We got Orca, Audius. If you guys haven't checked out Audius, I actually have my music on Audius. If you type and search Constant Swimmer, I have some albums on there. You can check them out. So Metis. So I saw Metis pop up on one of the exchanges. What is up with Metis? Let's see. Okay, so this thing, all-time high, 2022, 314. So it's been around since the 2021. Let's see, Metis data. Let's check this out. Blockchain for everyone. That's what everyone's like. It's the blockchain for everyone. All right, so let's see. 5 million DeFi incentive campaign. Try Aave on Metis. All right, so let's explore the Metis ecosystem. All right, so you can do DeFi. Let's see, Hummus, a single-sided automated market maker designed for exchanging stable cryptocurrencies on the Metis blockchain. Okay. Chainlink. They use Chainlink. It's a NetSwap. Oh, Stargate. Awesome. We love Stargate. I think STG is going to do very, very well. It's already been doing very well. Look at the STG chart. Oh, that's not the STG chart. This is the one. Yeah, it's looking really good. We actually, we were in an STG trade right here, and we were just kind of, the market was kind of faking us out a little bit, and it was looking like we were needing to close some of these trades out, and to be honest, that was a bad decision. It's a bad decision. because there was a few of them that actually really, really did nice and pumped and could have made a lot more. It's not that it didn't make anything, but could have made a substantial amount more. But SDG has some room to grow. Definitely has some room to grow. All-time high. I mean, it could definitely go way past that all-time high. We see the RSI here before that initial pump right here. The RSI was right here. So let's see where the RSI is in this price point. So it's not at the bottom. It's in that middle range, so it means it's strong. So it's a strong RSI for it to potentially get into a level right here to where we could swoop in and then take some RSI high right here, and that could potentially put us up into the level here, 86 cents. Kind of do some maybe some bing bongy stuff. And then Bitcoin will help push. Let's see, restore that connection. Okay. I mean, guys, look at this. We are going to be past the fourth halving. I mean, what's so interesting is that what if we get to our all-time highs before the halving even comes? What if we get to the all-time highs before the halving is even here? That's what would blow people's minds, is that if Bitcoin manages to get to these levels right here before the halving even comes into play. That's what would be absolutely insane. I mean, that's what we're hoping for. That's definitely what we're hoping for. So yeah, Matic is looking good as well. Matic is looking very, very good. We really want to see that dollar. We want to see that $1.50. We want to go past that $1.50. And we see $1.50. Taking a little bit of profits for sure. All right. Let's go back. We'll look at Solana. LFG. Yep, Ray. Scom. And then let's look at Avalanche. I want to see what's going on with Avalanche. Huh. Okay. And then, oddly enough, you'd be surprised what you can see on Arbitrum as well. A lot of trading volume on Arbitrum as well. And on Optimism. All right. All right, guys. So I'll be right back. Got to do a quick chore for the wife. Quick chore for the wife. All right, we're back. All right, so just so you guys know, check into this Discord, check it out. Go to the link. It's right here in the channel description, and I want to see who will pop in here. And yeah, and we're just going to keep updating it. And the best thing you can do is get in here and start posting your best favorite crypto memes. That's what we need. That'll do me a massive solid. All right, so is Bitcoin bear divin a little bit? I think it is. Let's check it out. Go to the... So interesting enough, we've had these, wedge, ascending wedge, another level ascending wedge, broke out. And now we're sitting at this pivotal moment. Pivotal moments. Right. Thank you guys for tuning into the live stream. Do appreciate it. And yeah, I think we're going to end it. Gonna go on a run. Maybe lift a kettlebell. Maybe hit the bag. We've turned the garage into a true dojo. Trying to get all, bit of an Alex Becker vibe in the garage, All right, so market's doing pretty good. Let's go to the watch list real quick. We'll check it out. Let's see. Yeah, Gains Network, that's another altcoin. Not a lot of people talk about. GNS, Gains Network. And honestly, I'm getting super bullish on Pulse Chain. I don't know. I don't think it's a scam. And then Rose, getting really bullish on Rose. Rose could be in the top 20. Easy. We got Naka Games. Yeah. A lot of stuff on this watch list. Keeping up with. Dogecoin is the only thing that hasn't really moved at all. I'm almost thinking like we need to be getting into a Doge trade right now because Doge has not moved. It has not moved at all. Let's go in there. Yeah, it's just like in that short term, like it just, it went to the 10 cents, but since then it's just been pushed down a little bit. So, and then that most recent pump we had to 15 cents. So this is why I'm feeling like Doge, and look at the RSI too. Look at the RSI looks great. This is on the daily RSI. Four hours, a bit of a different story. 3 hour. But I see short term a 10 cent move. And then 10, 11 cents. Yeah, Doge is actually looking good. All right, guys. We're in this live stream. Thank you very much for tuning in. Be sure to join the Discord and start to get familiar with all the people in the community in the Dano Crypto Dojo. All right, guys. Peace. I will see you in the next video. Hope you guys have a fantastic day, and you are going to get all the things that you need to get done today, and you are starting the new year off fresh. All right. Peace.